After the holidays, I like to partake in dry January, and I thought it would be fun to share some of my favorite mocktail recipes with you and taste test some of these really unique non-alcoholic alternatives. We're gonna be having some fun making some non-alcoholic beverages, so let's get started. First, I just want to preface that I chose some things that I personally really like, but a lot of these brands also make everything from rum, gin, vodka, Campari, every kind of alcoholic beverage you like, there's a non-alcohol version out there. So since margaritas are one of my favorite things, I thought we would kick off the first recipe with a non-alcoholic margarita. So I want to start with Ritual, and Ritual makes a tequila, a gin, and a rum. So starting off with our tequila, we are going to be making a margarita, and I already have my salted rim with some manuka honey, tahini, and coconut sugar. I like sweet and salty rim, and I think if you're gonna make a mocktail, go the extra mile and do the garnishes, do the whole thing, and make it feel like a real drink. You can add agave, whatever you like. I actually don't like a really sweet margarita. Personal preference. Right, probably could have gotten 2 out of this, maybe. Cheers. Wow. What's kind of crazy about this is it's made from botanical essence, so it has that legitimate tequila flavor. I'm a fan. I had to try a whiskey alternative. Kyle, my fiance, he loves whiskey, and I just wanted to give this a shot for his sake, and it smells just like whiskey. How did they do this? So this is 15 calories, only 1 gram of sugar. So that's another good thing if you're trying to kind of watch how much sugar you're having. One of these alternatives is a great option. So today I think we should try making a little whiskey sour. So I'm gonna put the juice of a whole lemon in here. And the other thing that really makes mocktails super special and feel authentic is not only adding the alcohol alternative, but adding flavors from bitters, shrubs, and syrup. So this is the 1821 bitters. It has amazing reviews and incredible flavors. If you really want it to taste like a real cocktail, you need to go the extra mile and have things that are gonna really deepen the flavors. My mind is blown. Like, this tastes just like a whiskey sour. Now, I myself love a glass of wine, but if I'm gonna be doing dry January, I'm going to need an alternative, and Surely Wines is an amazing company. This is their sparkling rosé, and I just couldn't resist the top. Do we all wanna see Haley try to open this? All right, here we go. Oh, oh my. Cheers. Okay, so you know how if you have like a apple cider or sparkling apple cider, it just tastes or smells like apple juice? This actually, well, we need more than that. This actually smells just like rosé. One of my favorite drinks when I have a glass of rosé, I love pomegranate juice in it. It is not only a gorgeous color, but it tastes amazing, and it just makes it feel a little bit more special. Now, since I already talked about a few of these different non-alcoholic drinks, a few of my other favorites are hop water. If you're someone who likes a beer or 2 or 3, hop water is just the hop essence in carbonated water, and I love this. It's a great way to also stay hydrated because alcohol tends to dehydrate you, and if you want the flavor of an IPA, but the benefits of drinking water, hop water is definitely your way to go. Now, just because it's a mocktail doesn't mean you should skip your garnish. I love to do a garnish on a toothpick like this, fresh fruit, an orange peel, muddled herbs. It gives it a really elevated look and feel and added flavor. I hope this gave you guys some fun ideas to make your own mocktails. Don't forget that there are tons of different options. You don't have to stick with these. You can get gin and vodka and rum alternatives as well, and other types of wines. I'd be really interested to know if you guys have tried any, and if you have tried any, let me know which ones you like the best so that I can check them out as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for Real Simple so you never miss an episode of Simply.